Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and happy at your home. Are you doing good practice of your cursive writing? Hope you have done neat writing of your cursive letters. Today, we will do more practice of cursive strokes. So let's begin. Okay, children, now let's start. This way you have to create one page for practice. And I hope you have done practice in Saturday and Sunday also of your cursive strokes and also with the sound. And also you have to do daily revision of your phonetic sounds. First of all, write the date. What is the date today? Today is 4th. So write 4-5-20. That means today is 4th May 2020. Okay, now let's write C.W. That is for cursive, that is for classwork. Okay, now we will start without dots as we have stopped writing with the dots now. So we will start with cursive C. We don't have to touch the pink line in the two middle lines. We have to start our cursive small letter C. First make slanting line, then a curve, come down, making C, make a curve. Write full line of C and keep on repeating C, curve, C, curve, C, curve. Then we will start with A, 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 A. Then we will start with D, curve, go up, come down this way. D, 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 D. Then we will write G. G says curve. First make curve, make C, come back, make A. Now without stopping, come down, touch the pink line and make slanting line. This way we have to make G, 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 G. Children, for beautiful writing you have to take sharpened pencil and pointed pencil. Now Q, curve, make C, go up, come slanting down, then go up slanting, touching the black line. Again, slanting line, make curve, come down, make C, without stopping, come down and go back slanting. This way, write Q, 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 Q. Then E, slanting line, go up, curve, slanting line, go up, curve, slanting line, touch the black line and say just E, A, E, A. Then L is a long loop. Starting from the third line, go up, touch the pink line, come back slanting and curve. Go up, touch the pink line, come back slanting. L, 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 L. Okay. Now last is our B. Starting with down to up, go up, touch the pink line, come back slanting, go up and make a curve. Slanting line, go up, come back, make U and this will curve. Go up, come back down and make curve. So children, this way you have to do very beautiful writing of cursive in the classwork and in the homework. So you have to do 2 page, one in the morning and one in the evening also. Okay children, now we will do one exercise. First of all, write the date 4-5-2020 and C.W. Now the question says look at the picture and circle the correct letter. You have to look at the picture and then you have to circle the correct letter. फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ लैडर, सीढ़ी. सीढ़ी को हम इंग्लिश में लैडर बोलते हैं. लैडर. नाउ लैडर सेज लैडर. जस्ट स्पीक द वर्ड 2 times and you will be able to know what letter you have to circle. As if you are aware of the phonetic sounds, it will be easy for you to circle the correct letter. So ladder. Ladder, what sound is coming? First sound is coming of L. Now tell me, A says A, L says L, and B says B. Ladder says L and L says L. So L is your correct letter. Circle the correct letter. Now next is cup. Cup, 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 cup. Q says Q, G says G, and C says K. So what is the correct letter? C. K, cup, K. So we will circle C. Easy. That is the reason I am telling you again and again to revise your cursive, and you have to revise your phonetic sounds so that you can recognize the sounds to do the exercises. Now, queen, queen. C says K, Q says Q, and E says A. Now, queen says Q, Q and Q. So, Q says Q and queen says Q. Next picture, dot. Say dot. What sound is coming? Of D. So we will circle dot. D. Next is ball. Ball. B. Ball. L says L, B says B. So ball is saying the sound of B. So B is our correct letter. We will circle B. Next is arrow. This is A, G, A. So what sound is matching with arrow is A. So we will circle A. Now next is egg. Egg. L says L, E says A, and A says A. Now E and A, what is the difference between E and A is? E says A. A is the small sound and A is the long and big sound. So here egg says A and L says L, E says A. So A, E, A and egg A. Both are matching. Now last is grapes. Grapes. Say grapes. Go. What sound is coming from grapes? Go. Now let's check. G says G, B says B, and Q says Q. What sound is matching with grapes is G, as G says G. So you will circle the letter G. This way you have to create one page of this exercise. So children, you can also use another pictures. Parents, you can make another pictures also with the cursive letters, with the cursive sound, whatever we have done in the class, just to make the children practice phonetic sounds and recognize the picture with the correct letter. Okay, now keep on practicing, and I hope you will do neat and good work. Take care. Bye bye. See you